If your Kia Forte is dropping your Apple CarPlay connection or failing to launch, we can usually fix it in under 5 minutes. Studies show that 80% of infotainment connectivity issues are actually caused by simple cable degradation or software bugs. Let us break down the troubleshooting process step by step. Start by swapping your USB cable for a certified one, then clear the paired device from your Kia head unit settings. If that fails, check the USB port for debris and ensure your iPhone's CarPlay restrictions are disabled in your privacy settings. A hard reset of the head unit using the pinhole button often resolves persistent software glitches that simple restarts miss. Most users find success at home, but if the physical port is loose or damaged, professional repair is your only path. As you can see, cables are the primary point of failure, followed by software issues that are usually quick to resolve. To isolate the problem, test with a different phone. If it works, your original device settings are the culprit. Keep these 3 items in your glove box to handle any future connectivity hiccups on the road. Remember, always prioritize high-quality data cables to keep your connection stable and your driving experience frustration-free. If these steps didn't solve your issue, check your Kia's warranty status before heading to the shop.